Next, we're going to talk about the overhead aggregate storage. On this plant here, you have 4 overhead ag bins where you have a moisture probe sleeve in bin number 1. Moisture probe sleeve is for your automation control. The overhead bin is very simple to maintain. Again, it's oil in the oiler for the air lines and grease on the in the clamshells. Now you do want to, at least once a month, you want to go up and check the wear liners that are in the overhead bin. See if you have any wear on them, excessive wear, to where they need replaced. Because the last thing you want is for one to wear through and start wearing a hole in your overhead bin itself. The same with the ag scale. At least once a month, peek in there, take a look at the wear liners. Change them before you have excess damage. On your overhead bin, on some plants, this one has it, you have indicators in the bin that control the level of your aggregate. It denotes when the conveyors kick on and turn off. As you can see, you have one in each bin. When the material comes off the bindicator, it turns on the conveyor. When the material reaches the bindicator, it turns the conveyor off. Some are the conveyor on off, some have clamshells and it just controls the clamshell instead. But that will control your level of your material so that you don't run out of material and you don't overfill your bins and have a mess. They're located on the top of the bin, close to the wall.